The release of Sage CRM 2021 has seen several small updates and changes to the APIs, in addition to the main RESTful API expansion. The RESTful interfaces have seen a significant expansion in this release. We're still calling this beta, but that's because we're still planning more work on the interfaces. And the RESTful API expansion has added endpoints that enables the management of data upload. And we now have schema discovery. There are endpoints to discover what fields are contained in which screens and lists, and what attributes and business rules are associated with those fields. This is a really useful addition for people who are creating apps and portals. And we've added quick find endpoints. This allows you to search for data across entities. We've exposed more user-based information, including preferences and settings, including calendar information. And we've published endpoints that means that escalation notification messages and user favorite data can be shared from Sage CRM into custom applications. And lastly, we've added the capability to perform batch operations. The documentation for the new endpoints are split between the developer guide and the REST API reference. Example usage of all the endpoints is given within the Postman collection that can be downloaded by following the links in both the Dev Guide and the REST API reference. And they will be supporting blogs and videos to explain the usage of each of the new endpoints. And you'll find those on the YouTube channel. The SDK has been reissued for Sage CRM 2021 R1. Within the SDK, there are projects, templates, and code snippets available for each of the .NET APIs, the COM ASP API, SOAP, and client-side APIs. The SDK installer can be downloaded from the Sage CRM community, and you can find that by going to community.sagecrm.com and looking down within the download section. There are other API changes in Sage CRM 2021 R1. We fixed a number of customer bugs. Each of these are documented within the release notes, and you can see that the reference is prefixed with CRMS and then the different codes, and those would have been fed back to the customer and the reporting person. So CRMS 295, and that's when the client-side API was returning the wrong start time for an appointment. That's been resolved. So has CRMS 218, which was to do with the RESTful API and email addresses that were insufficient in length. So we now can exceed 12 characters in submitting an email address. CRMS 430 is really a change to the documentation that explains how to configure Postman to be able to make sure that you can use the wildcard percentage sign within your queries. The community has a large set of custom components, all updated for Sage CRM 2021 that demonstrate different development techniques. So let's use these to build great extensions for Sage CRM.